Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Wi-Fi isn't working on iPhone 17. First of all, try toggling your Wi-Fi and the airplane mode. To do so, swipe down the control center from the top right corner of the screen, then go into this menu and try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi by tapping the Wi-Fi icon right here, then tapping it once again and check if your device is successfully connected after that. Alternatively, you can toggle the airplane mode by tapping right here and then tapping once again to let your device reconnect to the Wi-Fi. But if it doesn't help, then you can restart both your router if you have access to it and your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, hold down the power button and volume down button at the same time, then swipe to power off and wait until your device is is turned off. And once your device is turned off, you have to press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen, and then just wait until your device is switched on. Okay, and if it didn't help you, try connecting to some other Wi-Fi network to check if this issue is specific either to your phone or to the router that you're using. See if you can connect to other Wi-Fi network. You can also go to settings, open Wi-Fi, and try to forget your current Wi-Fi by tapping the information icon next to it and selecting forget this network, and then select this network once again and reconnect to it, and with entering your I think it's actually it, and reconnect to it by entering the password this time. Okay, so just try to reconnect to the network and see if it helps you. And if it didn't help you, you can go to General and check for software update. In order to check for software update, however, you're gonna need some kind of internet connection. Maybe use mobile data instead, or just connect to the other Wi-Fi network and check if your device has any updates to install. And if it does, please take your time and install the latest update version, because this might be the root of your issue. And if even the update didn't help you, then in such case, in General section, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. Then confirm this section with your passcode. Confirm once again, and then wait until your device is fully reset. Okay, and once your device is restarted, try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi by opening settings, going to Wi-Fi, selecting the network that you want to connect to. Also, if you can, try connecting to 2.4 GHz networks, as some user reported issues with 5 GHz networks. Now let me select the network from the list and enter the password. And now let's reconnect to it. And then check if your issue is resolved by now. And if it's still not resolved, then there might be a problem or an issue on the side of your internet provider. So I'd recommend contacting your internet provider and asking if there is a problem on their side. And if there is a problem, then just let them fix it, and after that you'll be able to use your Wi-Fi once again. And I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.